Hi students, welcome to our maths class, and this is class 12, and today this is the last lecture for the relation and function, chapter 1, relation and function. So in this lecture, at last I am going to explain the remaining questions of exercise 1.4 and miscellaneous exercise. So let us start. If you talk about the question number 5, 4 up to 4th we had already discussed. If you talk about 5, question number 5, let's start with the binary operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Defined by A star B is a CF of A and B. Is the operation star same as operation star defined in exercise 4 above? Justify your answer. So whatever I have told you in question number 4, that there is a table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the set, star is the operation, okay, and this is the operation, maybe A star B is a CF of A and B, okay. So what you can say about this? So if you see 1, 1, so a CF of 1, 1 is 1. There's 2, 2, a CF of 2, 2 is 1. 2, 3, 1, that means a CF. So you can say yes, this table is the same for this operation, okay. Now question number 6. Let us start with the binary operation given on set of natural number. We have given a star is the binary operation on set of natural number, okay, given by A star B is LCM of A and B. A star B is nothing but LCM of A and B. Find 5 star 7. First question, find 5 star 7. So what is the LCM of 5 and 7? So 5 and 7 is, LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Okay. Yes, 35 belongs to the natural number. So you can say yes, it is correct. Similarly, 20 star 7, 16. Second question, in the same 20 star 16. So what is the LCM of 20 and 16? You have to find here 20, 16, 2, 10, 8, 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 2, 2, 5, 1, and this is 5, 1, 1. 5 to the 10 to the 20, 20 to 40 to the 80. So what is the LCM of this? 80, and of course 80 belongs to the natural numbers. So you can say yes, this is the binary operation. Now if the star is commutative, so what is your answer? If the star is commutative, that means this particular star, that means whatever it is defined, A star B, is commutative. Of course, if you find the CF of 5 and 7, sorry, LCM of 5 and 7, this is the same as, this is same as the LCM of 7 and 5. Similarly, 20 and 16, then SCF of 20 and 16 is also same. Okay, so note it down. Okay, it is associative, so you can consider 3 elements and check it is that particular relation is binary operation is associative. So supposed to be, simply you can take 2, 3, 6, supposed to be 2, 3, 6, okay. Okay, is this particular relation is binary operation is associative. So your answer is yes, it is associative. Why? Because if you take 1, 2, 3, 6 supposed to be, then 2 star 3 star 6, that means SCF of 2 and LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, and star 6, that means LCM of 6 and 6 is what? Simply 6. LCM of 6 and 6 is 6. Similarly, if you talk about 2 star 3 star 6, then SCF of 3 and 6, LCM of 3 and 6 is 6 again. So 2 is 6, okay, and now LCM of 2 and 6 is what? 6 only. So LHS is equals to RHS. That means 6 is equal to 2 star 3 star of 6. Okay, so this particular relation is associate. And now if you see question number 5th in that, 4th, find the identity of star in N. So what is the identity? Identity means if supposed to be E is the identity, then E star A is equals to A star E is equals to A. So if you find identity, then 1 is the identity, because if you take SCF of 1, LCM of 1 with any number, then again that number will come. Supposed to be 1 star 6, LCM of 1 and 6, this is 6. Any number you can take and find the LCM with 1, you can get that particular number. Okay, so 1 is the identity in N. Okay, now which element of N are invertible for operation star? Which element of N, which element of N that have inverse? So only 1 is the element having inverse is 1, because if we apply operation 1 star 1, that is LCM of 1 and 1, this is again 1, that means identity. So you can say yes, that particular element 1 is the inverse of 1 itself, that means invertible element, and this is can say invertible for operation star. Similarly, if you see about the 7, is a star defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A star B is LCM of A and B, binary is a binary operation, justify your answer. So 7 question you can do yourself because it is easy, same type of question above we have to discuss. Now star is the 9th one. Let star be the binary operation on the set Q of rational number as follows. A star B is this, A star B is AB plus AB. Okay, so binary operation on set Q. So same type of question we had already discussed, so please try to solve this one also. And now we are just going to solve question number 11. Let A is equals to n cross n and star be the binary operation on A defined by A B star. Let A is equals to n cross n. Let question number 11, let A is equals to n cross n. Okay, A is equal to n cross n and star be the binary operation defined by, and star be the binary operation defined on A, such that A star B, AB star CD must be equal to a plus c is equal to b plus a plus c comma b plus d. Okay, so that star is commutative and associative. Find the identity element for star on the set A if any. Okay, so let us solve it. So what is solution? Okay, okay, see, A star B star C star D, so obviously on and cross n, so this is again a natural number, so this is the binary operation obviously because it holds closure law. Okay, now see, commutativity is that particular binary operation is commutative. So if you see AB star CD, this is nothing but A plus C B plus D, so you can write it as B plus D. Okay, okay, so you can write it as C plus A D plus B, because you know very well commutativity hold in natural number. Okay, so this is nothing but CD is star AB, so this is A star B supposed to be B star A, that's why it is commutative. Similarly, you can check associativity. Okay, how to check associativity? See, we consider three elements on n cross n. Suppose we have to check it associativity. So in this particular associativity, we consider three elements A, B, C, D and E, F. What belongs to what? N cross n, that is on set A. So we have, if we E, B star C, D and this particular bracket star E, F. Okay, so if you see, this is nothing but A plus C B plus D and star E, F. So A plus C plus E B plus D plus E. This is the result actually. Okay, and if you see, for the change the bracket, this is the LHS supposed to be and RHS is supposed to be A, B star C, D star E, F. So this is nothing but AB star and here C plus F, A plus C, that means first and third, C plus E and D plus F. And if you multiply again, operate this one, so again first and third, so A plus C plus E, and second and fourth, so B plus D plus F. Okay, B plus D plus F. So LHS must be equal to RHS. Okay, so you can say yes, this particular operation, binary operation, is associative also. Okay, now we are just going to find identity for that particular element A if any. Okay, so first you note it down, then after you see. Okay. So for the identity, we need actually, if we want to find identity element, then any element we have to consider A, B belongs to n cross n. We have A, B star E again A, B. Okay. So there is no identity element such that A star B is equals to AB. Okay. So there does not exist identity element. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is the last lecture actually for the relation and function. And tomorrow onwards, that means in next lecture onwards, we have to start inverse trigonometric function. So whatever possible questions I have to told you, so please try to solve and complete the exercise. Okay.